Hey, what's up guys? It's Inca 4x4. Thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna go over this thing that I made a long time ago. It's a Milwaukee Packout, bug out kitchen, chuck box, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna just kind of go over the basic idea of it. It's really easy to make, and the cool thing is you can remove the top. It's just a Milwaukee drawer, and this is a stove, so it's super cool. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. We do everything from gear review. We have a 96 Land Rover Defender with a camper conversion. We build trailers, Jeeps, Toyotas, all sorts of stuff. We have a great online store called IncaOverlandOutfitters.com. I'll put it in the description. And we sell everything from Cook Partner stoves, Timbo Tusk, rooftop tents for 23.0, OBS, everything. So you'll find the best deals, great prices, and yeah, go over to the website. And again, thank you for all my subscribers for being here. And I'll just kind of give you a glance over this unit here of what we made. It's perfect if you're just getting started. You could throw this in the back of a Jeep, the back of a Ford Runner, whatever, and you have a nice stove and just great organization. So let's get right to it. So this is a unit right here, and like I was mentioning, this is two things. It's a Milwaukee workstation, and you can tell it's just been sitting around the garage. I haven't used in a while because we have, you know, built-in kitchen stuff in the Defender and the other vehicles. So, but if I had a vehicle that I don't have any gear into, this would be the go-to thing I would go to, because these drawers, you could put cups, plates, forks, whatever. This up here comes out, and you can have it from like opening it up. If it's perfect in the back of a Jeep like Ford Runner, and I'll just basically show you. Let me bring you up over here. Like I said, it's a 2-door. They sell these in 3 drawers. They sell them in a 1 drawer. You could stack more things on it. They make accessories for you to clamp stuff on the outside. You could put wheels on it. You can go crazy with this, but this small unit here has worked out really well. And basically what we did is we took the wood workstation and put a Coleman stove that I had. I disassembled it, made a little cutout here you could see for the burners. And we ordered one of these on Amazon. I'll put it in the link below, but you can kind of see it there. And it's just a green propane tank, Coleman propane tank. And I'll put you in here, I'll light it and just show you how it works. So this, you know, ideally would be sitting in the back of your vehicle. And let's see, I could hear the gas coming out. And there's a gas on the other side. So yeah, you can use it. Let me show you. This is just going to be a quick video, but yeah, you can imagine, you know, this is in the back of your vehicle. You're cooking on top. You have all the, you know, all the stuff you need. Pots, pans, cups, forks, spices. Maybe you bring one of these little tables along, and you know you're good to go. So this overlanding doesn't need to be super expensive, and you know your creativity is really your only limit. So this right here is proof of it. You know, these boxes you can even find used. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Milwaukee Packout box. You know, just be careful with whenever you're working with propane. Make sure all your fittings are connected really well. But I'll try to link as much stuff as I can to this, but hopefully it gives you an idea to something you can make, something to help you organize your overland gear. And yeah, so please give a like, share this video if you found it informative. And again, IncaOverlandOutfitters.com. Everything from rooftop tents, stoves, recovery gear, refrigerators, all that stuff. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. So thank you.